Ranganatittu was declared a bird sanctuary in 1940 and later protected as wildlife reserve. These river islands were formed naturally by the Kaveri, creating a safe breeding ground for birds. Over time, it became one of India's most important nesting and migratory bird habitats. Every year, birds migrate here from Siberia, Australia, and Asia, making this sanctuary internationally significant for conservation. Ranganathittu is home to more than 170 bird species. Some of the most commonly spotted birds include painted storks, Asian open-billed storks, spoonbills, black-headed ibis, great egrets and herons. Apart from birds, the sanctuary also shelters marsh crocodiles, otters, monitor lizards, and various fish species. The world racing forward, Ranganatittu reminds us to pause, to breathe, and to listen to the rhythm of nature. Ranganatittu is not just about birds, it's about balance, patience, and coexistence. Watching thousands of birds live freely here reminds us that nature thrives when left undisturbed. If you are feeling overwhelmed by life, come here. Let the river slow you down. Let the birds remind you how beautiful freedom truly is. So that's it for our Ranganatittu adventure. If you enjoyed this show, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments if you have been here or if you are planning a trip. Until then, take care.